يغرنك تقلب الذين كفروا في البلاد.
O Messenger, do not let the strutting about of the unbelievers in the land deceive you.
متاع قليل ثم مأواهم جهنم وبئس المهاد.
This is but a trifling and fleeting enjoyment. Then their destination is hell. What an evil resting place.
لكن الذين اتقوا ربهم لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نزلا من عند الله وما عند الله خير للأبرار.
But those who fear their Lord, theirs shall be the gardens beneath which rivers flow, and therein they will live forever, a hospitality from Allah. And Allah's reward is best for the truly pious.
وَإِنَّ مِنْ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ لَمَنْ يُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَمَا أُنْزِلَ إِلَيْكُمْ وَمَا أُنْزِلَ إِلَيْهِمْ خَاشِعِينَ لِلَّهِ لَا يَشْتَرُونَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ أَجْرُهُمْ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ سَرِيعُ الْحِسَابِ.
Among the people of the book, some believe in Allah and what has been revealed to you, and what has been revealed to them. They humble themselves before Allah and do not sell Allah's revelations for a trivial gain. For such their reward lies with their Lord. Allah is swift in reckoning.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابروا ورابطوا واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون.
Believers, be steadfast and vie in steadfastness. Stand firm in your faith and hold Allah in fear, that you may attain true success.